secret that here in our home, guys, we do not wear shoes inside of the house. And when we have guests come over, we also request that they remove their shoes as well. All right. So there's so many things, guys, that you can bring in on the bottom of your shoes. And if you're like us, you love to have a nice little comfy seat on the floor at times, and you don't want to place those germs and other debris on your furniture or even in your bed, guys. So as the holidays quickly approach, we wanted to have some place at the entrance of our foyer for our guests to sit and remove their shoes. So as you see here, guys, this is the entrance to our home. So whatever I chose to place here for the guests to sit and remove their shoes had to be in relative proportion to the space allotted here. I quickly fell in love, guys, with these ladder back chairs that I found over on overstock.com. It has been a little bit rainy here in Atlanta, and I haven't really felt like getting dressed to go on the hunt for furniture. So I just hopped on overstock.com. This is not a sponsored video. I just love going to them for certain items for the house. They just really do have some great items, guys. These chairs I felt were the perfect color. They were the perfect size, as they will not remain out in the foyer. They will actually be stacked and tucked away into the coat closet. Now, so the price of $2.99 for 2 chairs, I felt it was a little bit steep for chairs that were not going to be on display at all times. So I felt that I could do just a little bit better. All right. Again, they were going to be the perfect size. This here is a look into our coat closet. Up there in that basket, we do store our shoes for the guests. Anyone that comes to our home gets a new pair of little shoes to take with them. Again, our little thank you gift for removing the shoes. But again, the ladder back chairs, they were going to be the perfect size, but for chairs that were going to be tucked away into a closet, I just couldn't bring myself to spend $300. So you know what I did? I headed to my favorite thrift location, and I picked these chairs up, guys, for $4.99 each, and this is what I did.